The Kidde battery-operated combination carbon monoxide and smoke alarm offers protection from 2 deadly threats in one unit. The voice alarm announces fire when a smoke or fire hazard is detected.
Fire, fire.
And warning carbon monoxide when a CO hazard is detected.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
If any form of battery failure is detected, the low battery voice occurs.
Low battery.
Get 2 types of protection from one reliable alarm. Kidde, peace of mind.
Fire is a deadly threat to any home. It can strike anywhere and at any time. 3 out of every 5 home fire deaths resulted from fires in homes with no working smoke alarms. A fire department responds to a fire every 24 seconds in America. Smoke alarms provide early warning in the event of an emergency inside the home. First Alert offers battery and hardwired smoke alarms. Check what source of power is best for your home. If you are going to install a hardwired alarm, be sure to turn off the power to that area prior to starting the installation process. Install smoke alarms on every level of your home, including the basement and in every bedroom. Alarms don't last forever. Remember to replace smoke alarms regardless of manufacturer or power source. If you don't know how old your smoke alarms are, it's best to be safe and replace. Twist into place until you hear it click. Unattended cooking is the leading cause of fires in the US, so be alert while cooking. Finally, be sure to talk about fire safety with your family and be prepared if there is an emergency by having an escape plan and practicing it regularly with your entire family.
The First Alert SC7010BV hardwired talking smoke and CO alarm delivers the most intuitive and technologically superior equipment on the market. This model utilizes a photoelectric smoke sensing chamber that actively seeks out slow smoldering fires while simultaneously searching for traces of CO within the surrounding area. It also comes with a single button test silence option, and voice alarm capabilities add incredible depth to an already flexible alarm. Featuring a swift and near effortless installation process, this alarm comes equipped with OptiPath 360 technology that provides 360 degrees of direct access to the smoke sensor. With a 2 AA battery backup, an end-of-life signal alerts you when the alarm's battery is low.